Which part of the kidney filters blood? A. Glomerulus. B. Nephron. C. Ureter. D. Pelvis. The hormone responsible for milk ejection is A. Prolactin. B. Oxytocin. C. Estrogen. D. Progesterone. The drug of choice for typhoid fever is A. Ciprofloxacin. B. Paracetamol. C. Metronidazole. D. Ibuprofen. Which drug should not be given in Parkinson's disease? A. Levodopa. B. Haloperidol. C. Carbidopa. D. Pramipexole. Which position is best for a patient with dyspnea? A. Supine. B. Fowler's position. C. Prone. D. Lithotomy. A patient with chest pain and ST elevation on ECG likely has A. Asthma. B. Myocardial infarction. C. Pneumonia. D. Hypertension. Which condition requires a low-protein diet? A. Diabetes. B. Hypertension. C. Chronic kidney disease. D. Anemia. The classic symptom of appendicitis is A. Left lower abdominal pain. B. Right lower abdominal pain. C. Epigastric pain. D. Back pain. Normal Apgar score at 1 minute is A. 3 to 4. B. 5 to 6. C. 7 to 10. D. 0 to 2. Which therapy is used for phobias? A. CBT. B. ECT. C. Psychoanalysis. D. Group therapy. Which arrhythmia is life-threatening and requires immediate defibrillation? A. Atrial fibrillation. B. Ventricular fibrillation. C. Sinus bradycardia. D. First-degree AV block. A patient on mechanical ventilation with high peak airway pressure may have A. Pneumothorax. B. Atelectasis. C. Hypovolemia. D. Bradycardia. First-line drug for status epilepticus. A. Lorgepam. B. Paracetamol. C. Metoprolol. D. Furosemide. PEEP, positive and expiratory pressure, is used to A. Increase CO2 removal. B. Prevent alveolar collapse. C. Reduce heart rate. D. Lower blood pressure. STEMI patients should receive aspirin within A. 30 minutes. B. 2 hours. C. 6 hours. D. 12 hours. First intervention for raised ICP, intracranial pressure. A. Elevate head to 30 degrees. B. Administer IV fluids rapidly. C. Lie flat. SOFA score is used to assess A. Renal function. B. Sepsis severity. C. Nutritional status. D. Pain level. Which of the following is a symptom of left-sided heart failure? A. Leg swelling. B. Ascites. C. Pulmonary congestion. D. Liver enlargement. Which of the following heart sounds is associated with heart failure? A. S1. B. S2. C. S3. D. S4. What is the most common congenital heart defect? A. Tetralogy of Fallot. B. Atrial septal defect. C. Ventricular septal defect. D. Patent ductus arteriosus.